goes Brady Bops. Goodbye, Brayden. Till he gets to the end of his rope. That's how he gets around. Come here, bud. Brayden, look. Come here. Come see Mommy. Come here. Come on back. Here it comes. Whee! That's fun. Hi. Hey, Brayden. Brayden. Hey, look at me. Who's in the kitchen? Can you say Dada? Say Dada? Brady. Hey, stop bouncing. Start talking. Hey, buddy. Brayden, give me a big smile. Hey, get back here. Get back here. He's off again. See you later, buddy.